In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of a graphic in Canva. Let's start by opening the Canva design you want to work on. Once your design is open in the editor, look for the specific image or graphic where you want to remove a portion. This could be a photo, an illustration, or any graphic element you've added to your canvas. Click on that image once to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a toolbar appear across the top of the screen. On that top toolbar, look for the option labeled Edit. Go ahead and click it. This will open the Edit Image panel on the left side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see different sections and options you can use to adjust your image. Near the top area of this panel, you'll find a section called Tools. Under Tools, look for the option called Magic Eraser and select it. This is the feature that lets you remove specific parts of your graphic without deleting the entire image. Once Magic Eraser is active, you'll see several ways to use it, such as brush, click, foreground, and text. Each one is designed for slightly different situations. For example, click and foreground can be useful when you want Canva to detect and remove larger areas automatically, and text is great for removing unwanted text from an image. For this walkthrough though, we'll focus on using the brush, since it gives you precise control over what you erase. Make sure brush is selected, and then adjust the brush size to suit your design. A smaller brush works well for detailed areas or tight spaces, while a larger brush is better for broad sections you want to remove quickly. Once you've chosen a size, move your cursor over the image. Click and hold down your mouse, then carefully move over the parts of the image you want to erase. You'll be painting over the areas you'd like to remove. When you're happy with your selection, look back to the left panel and click Erase to process the change. Canva will take a moment to apply the erasure. When it's done, review your image and see how it looks. If the result isn't quite right, you can always undo the change or use Reset Edits in the left panel. Then try again by adjusting your brush size or experimenting with another Magic Eraser mode until you get the clean result you want.